Hi, good morning, children. Today we are going to revise the next letters W, X, Y, and Z and its vocabularies. This is capital letter W. This is small letter W. Do you know the sound of letter W? Wheel. Wheel is round in shape. All the vehicles need wheels to move. Wolf. Wolf belongs to the dog family. It has sharp teeth and strong body. Web. Spider spins web to catch its prey. Woodpecker. Woodpecker is a bird. It uses its beak to drill the trees to find insects to eat. Okay, which is the next letter? X. This is capital letter X. This is small letter X. Then what is the sound of this letter? X. Xylophone. It's a musical instrument. It consists of wooden parts. It produces sweet sound. Box. We keep things in boxes. There are different types of boxes like pencil box, tiffin box, etc. 6. Number 6. It's a numeral. Do you know which letter comes after X? Y. Yes, this is capital Y. This is small y. Can you say the sound of letter Y? Yak. Yak is a domestic animal. It has long hair and long horns. It is usually seen in cold places. Yo-yo. Yo-yo is a small round toy. Children like to play with it. Yellow. Yellow is a color. Lemon, banana, sunflower are yellow in color. Yolk. Yolk is the inner part of the egg. It is yellow in color. Okay, can you tell me which is the last letter? Z. This is capital letter Z and this is small letter Z. Say the sound of letter Z. Zebra. Zebra is a wild African horse. It has white and black stripes on its body. Zinnia. Zinnia is a beautiful flower. They are in different colors like red, orange, rose, etc. Zoo. Zoo is a place where many types of animals are kept, so people can see and watch them. Zigzag. A line that looks like a Z or a row of Z's joined together. Kids, now we have revised the alphabet A to Z and its phonic sounds. Please do watch the video. We will see you soon with loads of love. Your Roslyn Miss. Thank you. Bye.